In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly upload and extract a zip file on Hostinger using the File Manager. This is an essential skill for website management, allowing you to efficiently handle files and folders on your hosting platform. To begin with, we'll need to log in to Hostinger. Open your web browser and head to hostinger.com. Once there, locate the Login button, click it, and proceed to access your hPanel by entering your account credentials. This will bring you to the dashboard, a central hub where you can manage various aspects of your hosting account. Once logged in, your next step is to find the File Manager. Within the hPanel, navigate to the Websites section found on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of features and settings related to your hosting services. Under the Files section, click on File Manager. This tool is excellent for overseeing the files hosted on your server without needing additional FTP software. Now that we're in the File Manager, it's time to move to our target directory. You should navigate to the specific folder where you'd like your zip file to be extracted. If you're working on your main website, you'll typically head to the public .html folder. This directory serves as the primary root folder for your site. It's essential to ensure you're in the correct location before proceeding to avoid any mishaps. With the targeted directory set, it's time to upload your zip file. Look for the Upload Files button located at the top menu of the File Manager. Clicking this will allow you to browse your computer's files. Find and select the zip file you wish to upload. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, you'll need to wait patiently for the upload to complete. Once the uploading process is finished, you'll see the file listed in your target directory. The final step involves extracting the contents of the zip file. Spot your newly uploaded zip file in the directory, then right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select the Extract option. When prompted, confirm the location where you want to extract the files. In most scenarios, you'd keep it as the same folder you uploaded the zip to, often the public HTML folder for main sites. And that's all there is to it. The files will be extracted from the zip and ready for use. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded and extracted a zip file using Hostinger's File Manager. By mastering these steps, you're enhancing your ability to manage your website effectively and efficiently. Don't forget to check your extracted files to ensure everything is in place. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing.